Okay, so I just saw this on a YouTube video, and they said in it you could make it, but they didn't say how, so I'm gonna attempt to make it. Okay, so pretty much, it was this like cloud light, and yeah, so I got this stuff, and you might be wondering why I have a blanket, but that's because I put, I don't know what to call this, inside from a stuffed animal that broke. And this has a hole in it, so I just put it in, so yeah. Okay, so my plan is to take all this stuff, push it together, and then weave the lights through it. So let's hope this works. Okay, so first I tried to get it all out, and it wasn't very hard, and I thought I got it all. But then I was like, oh, let me like turn this inside out. And then I realized there was a lot more than I actually had. During this whole thing, I like had a song stuck in my head and was going over what I was going to do for this part. But here's me flipping out and realizing there's so much more. So, okay, so I finally got it all. That was difficult, but now we have to figure out a way to like squish it together. So right now it's just kind of like a ton of holes. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes and I finally figured out what to do. So I had it stacked, but then I had to push it down because I realized I forgot to have the lights stuck in. So pretty much what I did is I found this like piece of this stuff downstairs because I was cleaning my room earlier today, and I was like, oh wait, I could shove all of these inside of that because it's like bigger and put together. So I went downstairs and grabbed it, and then I realized that the batteries were dead for the lights, so I went to find batteries, and I had to take them out of something else. So yeah, but that was okay because I don't use that thing very much. So I took them out of, but I also couldn't get the battery back open for a while, so I need my dad for help with that one, and he did it like right away. It was impressive. Anyway, right now I'm just like stringing the lights through and like slowly adding more fluff on top. That's what I call the stuff now, fluff. Okay, so kind of just bending it in, not anything fancy. Okay, so it was actually already fun that way, so just not gonna do that. Anyway, I'm almost done. I'm just kind of stacking the fluff on top now, and it'll be ready soon. It kind of looks like a cool cloud. Pretty much what it was on YouTube was a lightning cloud. And yeah, so just a bit more stacking and fluffing. You can pick this up. Not really. Alright, let me show you it. Okay, the cloud is on 3, 2, 1. Okay, it actually looks like really cool though. Now I can't really put it in different colors, I don't think, because like this just doesn't do that. So yeah, but it looks really cool. So yeah. Alrighty, so yeah, that's all for today.